Are you struggling to extract higher ROI from your Marketo instance? Or trying to reduce license costs? Do you wish to improve your efficiency and streamline marketing operations? Let's dig deeper and uncover the underlying reasons for these challenges. It could be because you're unable to use Marketo's robust features to their full potential. Utilize your data because you do not have a clean database. Analyze and understand your lead and customer better. Well, we're here to turn these challenges into opportunities. Our custom Marketo solutions can help you overcome these and more such challenges with ease. Our LaunchPoint solutions are designed to optimize the value of your Marketo instance, provide holistic customer experiences, and accelerate conversions. Let's explore them. Cleanse and dedupe your Marketo database with mClean. Safeguard your Marketo assets, backup, and restore them with mHive. Pre-fill your Marketo forms on Marketo landing pages and websites quickly and easily with one-of-a-kind solution, OneMark. And to enable you to combine the power of Marketo with another system from your tech stack, we've got you covered. Sync data between your Magento store and Marketo easily with Maginate. Sync important customer data in real time from between Shopify store to Marketo with Cartavio. Harness the power of Marketo's lead data in WordPress with the WordPress Marketo connector. Ready to supercharge your Marketo operations with these solutions? Drop a line at info@grezity.com and we'll take it from there.